Once we have created our model, there are several ways we can go about creating a rendered image of our building. Now, SketchUp does not come with any built-in rendering software or plugin, but as you may know already, there are several softwares and plugins that you can use that work very well with SketchUp, and we can create some very nice photorealistic renders. So for this lesson, I'm going to use the plugin Twilight Render. Now, Twilight Render is a program that you can download from their website at twilightrender.com, and as you see here, it is a free download, and whether you have Windows or Mac, it'll work for either one. Just go ahead and just click on download and install it, and it should automatically pop up on your SketchUp software when you open it. And here from easyrender.com, we can see that SketchUp is Twilight Render is listed as number 6 on their list. And if you've seen from one of my other videos, one of my other courses entitled SketchUp and Twilight, Twilight is one of the things I like about it is that it's very easy to use, it's very simple, and you can get some really nice quality images from it. So let's go ahead and get into adding some lighting in this scene and editing some of these materials.